You look so tall. Put your feather right there. Okay, say hi.
Hi.
Hi, welcome to TaylorKitchen. This is my grandson, Rowan. He's gonna help us make breakfast today, and we're gonna make, what are we making?
Pancakes.
Pancakes, but not just any pancakes. These are Heavenly Hots Pancakes, and they're super high protein. Heavenly Hots originally uses sour cream in the recipe, but I thought, why not sub this out for Greek yogurt, which is loaded with protein and all kinds of good stuff. Whoa, are you solid there on your chair? You're good? Do you want to put all this in the blender for me? This is the yogurt. You're just gonna put it all in there. Here, let's use this to scoop it out. Scoop it out. Oh, whoa, that's a good amount of yogurt, lots of it. Okay, and then can you do an itty bitty pinch of salt? Just a tiny pinch. Not even, oh, that's a scoop. Just with your finger like this and put some in. Tiny pinch, there you go. Good job. You can wipe your hands right here. He doesn't like to get his hands dirty. Okay, now, do you know how to, oh, here, we need the, this is baking soda. You want to put this in? Whoa, oh, I figured that was going to happen, like that. And I'll, oh, no, wait. Okay. You have to crack it first. Do you know how to crack it?
Okay.
Bless you. Bless you. Okay. We have to crack an egg. Watch Mimi do it. I do this, and then I crack it in there. Now, look, Rowan, dump this, wait. This one first, dump that in here. That whole egg, just dump it in there. Can you do that? Boop, just like that. Okay, now you try. And then can you crack it? Bang it on here a little bit, softly on here, like this. Hold on to it. Okay, alrighty. We might get another egg. Yeah, I know. We'll get another egg. Here, wipe your hands with this. Not on Mimi, please. It's going very well. We'll get one more. We'll get one more egg. We got to practice at breaking eggs, don't we? We got to practice it. Practice it, yep. Hang on, I'll get one more egg. Okay. Like that. I got one more thing for you to add. Hang on one second. Ta-da! Yay!
Okay.
Okay, this is flour. You want to add the flour?
Flour.
You can just take the whole thing and dump all of that in there. You want to do that?
Flour.
All the flour goes in here. Yay! There's a tiny bit. Let's get all that. That's bing, bing. That's pretty loud, huh? 2.5 tablespoons of flour. Now we're gonna blitz it all up. You gonna cover your ears? No? Okay. All right, let me see what it looks like. I'm gonna scrape down the sides, and I'm gonna give it one more whirly go. Oh, another whirly go?
Where we go?
A whirly go, ready? You hold it. That looks good. A little bit of butter. This is hot, okay? Boop, see? Little bit of butter. Do you like butter? Okay, now we're gonna pour some pancakes. You wanna try to pour? Hold on to this with Mimi. Ready? Just a little bit. Can you see? Whoa, that looks good. Ooh, do you like pancakes? Rowan, how old are you gonna be? How old are you gonna be? On your birthday? How old are you? You're gonna be 4. Say hi, I'm gonna be 4. Okay. All right, buddy, we just need to let those cook. We'll get our broken egg out of here, and we're gonna let them cook, and then we're gonna flip them over. Should we have syrup with them? And butter? back. As soon as they start to form bubbles around the edges, you know the drill with pancakes. Then you're gonna flip them, and then we're just gonna dig in because these are really good. And good for us because they're high protein, right? Right?
What?
Right. All right, this one's got lots of bubbles on it. Let me see if I can turn it. Oh, look, that looks really good.
Hot dog.
Hot dog. Pancake. Pancake.
Pancake.
Pancake. Flip this one. Whoa, nice and golden. You want to try? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Flip it. Okay, you want to try this one? You got to let Mimi help you, okay? Because this is kind of hard to do. I can let you take them off because they'll be nice and set then. How about that? Okay, so Rowan, you want to get this one and put it on the plate. Ready? No, not with your hands, baby. This is super hot.
Super hot.
Super hot. There you go. There you go. Okay. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Okay, on the plate. Yay! Do you want to try it?
Try it.
You try it.
You try it.
You try. Is it hot?
Yes.
Okay. You want me to tear up a little piece for you?
What pieces it?
Here. Want to try that?
No.
No? Okay.
Cookies.
I know. I'm going to get some more on this plate. Look how good those look. High protein pancakes. All right, do you want to tell Poppy that pancakes are ready?
No, thank you.
No, thank you. No, thank you. I just want to stay here and watch you get pancakes off the plate. Okay, there's our pancakes. We're going to put some butter and we're going to put some syrup on them. Or should we put some more pancake batter in? I think it needs a little bit more butter first. Hold on, bud. No, not with that. Cooking with children is fun, isn't it? You hear that noise it makes? I'm glad you came to cook with me this morning. Ready for some more batter? Cool. Cool. We're gonna have yummy pancakes. Oh, I think that's all. I wonder if I can get just a little bit more out of here. We don't want to waste any of that batter. There.
Try it.
You try it. It looks really yummy. You try? Here, Mimi will try a little piece too. Ready? We're going to cheers. Cheers. That's really good. I like it. You like it?
Like it.
Okay, I say that's 2 thumbs up for Heavenly Hots Pancakes made with Greek yogurt, loaded with protein and very delicious. And they're good for us. Are they good for us? They're gonna make our muscles grow? Rawr! Okay, like a dinosaur? Rawr! All right, good job, buddy. I love you. Say bye. Bye. And this recipe is available on tkfoodie.com.